Hey folks, James Hilliard here with Connection. Everybody needs a great laptop. The team at Lenovo has come out with a new brand. It's called the ThinkBook. It's a business class PC, but it's really been designed for the modern mobile workforce. Let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, so out of the box, here we have the ThinkBook. First thing I can feel is a good weight to it. Doesn't feel like a cheap consumer device. It feels like something I would bring into the office place. This is the 13-inch version, comes in 13 and 14-inch. The other thing I feel is this cool aluminum touch. It's an aluminum body, and again, just feels like a good business machine, something I'd want in the office. As we open things up here, we've got plenty of room to be looking at things. It's got Dolby Vision, so you know that everything you're going to be looking at is going to be nice and clear. One of those things you might be looking at is some Skype conference calls. A couple of hotkeys here allow you to accept or decline those calls with just a touch of the button. And then, of course, as you're listening to things like conference calls, you want to hear everything. Well, the built-in Harman audio, that's going to make sure everything is really crystal clear to your ears. I want to show you the Smart Power On technology from Lenovo here. It's the power button, built-in fingerprint reader. I touch it, and I'm off and working, so great there. If I did need to stop down my work for a little while, maybe go to lunch, I can go into a smart standby mode. As soon as I come back in, my email has still been connected, my networking has been connected, so I'm right back up and running. Another feature here that we should talk about for a laptop here is battery life. Say you're at the end of the day, you've been working hard, but you still got things to take home and work on. Well, if you charge for 30 minutes, this machine will be back up to 80% of its battery life. So that's gonna keep you working all through the night if you need to. With that, that's the first look, first feel for this ThinkBook, new brand from Lenovo. If you want more information, I invite you to go to connection.com/Lenovo.